Hello and good day to all of us in here. With all due respect, we would like to greet to our supervisor, Mrs. Rosni Bantorwan, and to our examiners, Mr. Humasak Simanjuntak and Mrs. Sarah Tambunan. Right now, we want to present our research, namely analysis of hybrid CAG and RAG for reducing retrieval latency and retrieval inaccuracy in RAG-based recommendation system. Uh, we are from TASI 2526-104, consisting of three members, me myself, Felis Anggisirait, with student ID 12S22006, and my team, Jessica Anggreni Siburayan, with student ID 12S22018, and the last one is Samuel Jandring Sitio, with student ID 12S22032. Next, the outline of our presentation here. There are seven sections. The first one, the background, and then purpose, proposed solution, scope, research methodology, research analysis, and the last one is design. To briefly remind us of the background of our research, the rapid growth of internet users, which now reaches approximately 73.2% of the global population, has led to an exponential increase in data volume, making LLM-based recommended system essential for filtering relevant information. However, pure LLM are limited by a fixed knowledge cutoff and are prone to hallucinations. To overcome this limitation, retrieval augmented generation or RAG was introduced to integrate real-time external knowledge and reduce hallucination. Despite its advantages, RAG systems still face major challenges, particularly retrieval latency, when accessing large-scale databases and retrieval inaccuracy due to irrelevant document retrieval. Moreover, existing studies mainly focus on reducing generation latency, while the retrieval stage remains insufficiently addressed, which forms the main motivation of this research. Next, there are two purposes in our research. The first one is to analyze and implement the application of case augmented generation in the retrieval augmented generation system to reduce retrieval latency in the information retrieval process. And the second one is evaluating the effectiveness of CAG-RAG hybrid integration in retrieval inaccuracy that often occur in the system.
Next, purpose solution to address the challenges of retrieval latency and retrieval inaccuracy. This study purpose a hybrid accurator that integrates the strengths and Cache augmented generation and retrieval augmented generation. This session making agent as a smart router, developing an agent that functions as a centralized control logic to evaluate user queries and adaptively determine the almost efficient knowledge pathway. And next, threshold based pathway selection. Uh, Applying a cosine similarity metric 0, 80 to distinguish Churches missing a scenario that dynamite retrieval from the vector database via the RAG pathway. Knowledge segmentation strengthened. Segmenting Toba tourism data into two functional format FKA pairs to support fast access in CAG and textual document chunking to support information deep in RAG. High performance LLM integration, leveraging the Gemini uh, 1.5 flash model as the primary generator due to its large context window capacity 1000 tokens and very low responded time 0.3 seconds to scientist scientist accurate recommendation. Next, scope dataset. Scientific experiment utilizing public dataset such as the Stanford question answering that dataset uh, s- or SQUAD and Hotspot KA, which provide stabilized growth ground truth from scientific evaluation. Domain implementation using the pariwisata Kabupaten Toba that dataset which cover the category of wisata, penginapan, restoran, transportasi, and kuliner, model and infrastructure. Main LLM using Gemini 1.5 Flash as the primary generator. Purpose system hybrid CAG RAG architecture with the decision making agent mach- machines. Baseline comparison comparing the performance of a conventional RAG system without uh, Ch- Ch- Chachi with the hybrid CAG RAG system. Evaluation matrix, quantitative metric, efficiency metric, response time, retrieval latency, Chachi hit rate, retrieval metric, activate activate information rate, generation metric, bird score, precision recall, and F1 score, completeness, equity, qualification rate, uh, relevancy score, quality based metric user judgment. Next. And then we can see the research methodology diagram. This diagram. Next, research analysis dataset uh, analysis. Next,
Okay, about the dataset analysis. Uh, the first one our group to do is about data understanding. This process focus on exploring tourism documents in the Lake Toba area to identify mixed data structures between structured data and unstructured data, fragmentation of unique attributes between categories, as well as mapping the potential of procedural static knowledge for the CAG module and the semantic knowledge for the RAG module. Like Toba Tourism Dataset, this stage analyzes the attribute variation and potential utilization of digital information from 7 districts around Lake Toba, including Toba, North Tapanuli, Simalungun, Samosir, Karo, Humbang, Sundutan, and Dairi, as an initial overview of the general tourism data structure before limiting the research area. The next about data selections. This step was taken to determine the operational dataset by limiting the scope of the research specifically to Toba Regency to ensure the focus remains consistent and relevant as the main case study in the implementation of the hybrid CAG-RAG system. The last step is about Toba Regency tourism dataset. The our select about the Toba Regency as the main focus in based on the characteristic of high query repetition for static popular information, which is an ideal scenario to validate the effectiveness of semantic caching in the CAG module in reducing response latency while testing adaptive switching to the RAG module for more specific contextual information. The second, data preparation analysis. The first one we have to do is about feature selections. This process involves the feature selection process was carried out by selecting attributes that significantly contribute to information of semantic context and the quality of core recommendation in each category. For the tourism and lodging category, selected features included place identity, location, cost information, operating hours, ratings, as well as visitor reviews and narrative description as the context enhancer. In the restaurant category, selection focus on name, price range, recommended menus, and reviews, while additional facility attributes and description were eliminated due to data gaps in the original dataset. For the transportation and culinary category, features focus on operational aspects such as service name, travel route, rate, vehicle type, and detailed narrative regarding unique flavors or fleet facilities to ensure the information present remains relevant and informative. The second one is about data cleaning. The data cleaning stage is carried out to ensure the integrity and accuracy of information in the hybrid CAG-RAG recommendation system with a primary focus on handling missing values without using statistical imputation techniques to avoid disinformation. Our group implemented an explicit labeling strategy where unavailable factual attributes such as ticket prices or operating hours were labeled with not available or free based on data verification, while subjective aspects such as visitor ratings and reviews were labeled not yet available. This process also includes optimizing empty description attributes by synthesizing information from other supporting attributes to maintain semantic context. The next about pre-processing knowledge for system analysis. The first about pre-processing knowledge for CAG system. This analysis focus on transforming to the Toba Regency dataset into key-value cache structure to support instant response. Statistic procedural data such as ticket prices and operating hours are converted into FIK pairs ready to be loaded into the semantic cache. The next is processing knowledge analysis for RAG system. Analysis in the RAG pipeline aims to process narrative data into a vector format stored in vector database. Tourism PDF documents undergo a chunking process to maintain contextual continuity, which is then converted into numerical representation using an embedding model. This stage ensures the availability of an accurate and indexed external knowledge base, allowing the system to perform precise contextual information searches in the event of a cache miss in the CAG module.
So next step is decision-making agent development analysis. There are three sections here. First one, semantic similarity score calculation mechanism. The agent operates in a multi-dimensional vector space by converting text queries into numeric vectors through an embedding process. The similarity between user queries and case knowledge assets is measured using the cosine similarity metric. Second one, similarity threshold logic analysis. Another important component is setting a similarity threshold as a decision parameter. If the score is greater than 0.8, a case hit scenario occurs where the agent directly retrieves information from the KV case to minimize latency. Conversely, if the score is low, a case miss scenario occurs where the agent adaptively shift the search to the RIG module to retrieve information from the vector database. Next, the handling irrelevance and negative constraints. The agent is also designed to handle scenario where information is not found in either the case or the vector database to prevent hallucination or out of domain answer. A grounding technique was applied through the negative constraint instruction to the prompt so that the model would give a honest answer that the information was not available instead of making up an answer. Next, the step the next step is workflow analysis of hybrid CAG RRG based recommender system. This is our analysis of hybrid CAG RRG based recommender system. This workflow begins with receiving a user query, which is then processed in the parallel to identify whether the information sought is repetitive, static, or contextual dynamic. Researchers analyzed that the system efficiently lies in the decision making agent's ability to prioritize CAG modules by checking similarity scores in the KV case to minimize waiting time. If information is not found or is below the similarity threshold, the workflow automatically switch to the RAG module to perform an in-depth search on the vector database. This workflow analysis ensure a smooth transition between modules so the system can provide tourism recommendation quickly without sacrificing the accuracy of the presented information context. Next step is LLM selection and configuration analysis. So we can see here table of comparison of performance characteristic of LLM models. The selection criteria, the model is selected based on its reasoning capability of hybrid data from the CAG and RAG modules. So the key parameters in here emphasize in place on the fast response time or low latency and the large context window capacity to prevent contextual information. So that's why our conclusion what's the LLM model we wanna use in this research is Gemini 1.5 plus is selected as the primary model because it can process all supporting information such as like description, operating hours, reviews in a single inference without the risk of contextualization. The hyperparameter configuration here, the focus of configuration is to align the characteristic of LLM output with the requirements of the recommendation system that prioritize factual accuracy of over the creativity. There are three here: temperature 0.1 until 0.3. A low range is selected to maintain answer stability and consistency. This ensures that response remain fact-based on do not divide from the context of tourism. The second, top P nucleus or called nucleus sampling. A small value is applied to encourage the model to focus on high probability tokens, ensure that responses remain focused and relevant to retrieve result from the CAG or RAG modules. And the last one hyperparameter is max output tokens. The output length is constrained to keep responses concise and informative. This limitation also helps maintain overall system response time and efficiency.
Next, research analysis, evaluation analysis. Next, research analysis. Researchers analyze the retrieval latency metric to measure the system speed in retrieving information. The use of CAG models in predicted to significantly reduce response time compared to conventional RAG system. This analysis also including calculating the case hit rate as an indicator of semantic changes efficiency in repeatedly surfacing user query, queries uh, without having to access an external database. In additional to performance aspect, the quality of the generated information was analyzed using the RAG triad metric framework. This metric include faithfulness analysis to ensure the model answer are free of hallucination and remain faithful to the source document answer relevancy to measure the accuracy of the answer to the query and context precision to evaluate the relevance of text snippets put pulled from the vector database through this combination of technical performance and semantic quality evaluation. Researchers were able to demonstrate that the hybrid machine not only speed up the system but also maintains the accuracy and trustworthiness of the information provided to transferers. Next, design, problem formulation, and literature study. On the subbab 4.1 problem formulation, the research began by identifying gap and extending RAG implementation. The core formulation focus on one gap identification, comparing prevision study to find unmet need in latency reduction. And point two, research question how to minimize retrieval latency and inaccuracy simulated Uh, strength, strength, defining the scope for a hybrid approach. And on the subbab 4.2 literature study, a comprehensive review of published paper to establish the theoretical foundation, keyword definition, featuring re- relevant literature on RAG, CAG, and LLM. Model selection, justifying the hybrid CAG RAG architecture over conventional RAG. Evaluation metric, selecting retrieval latency, cache hit rate, and BERT score as key indicator. Next, data analysis and preparation. on the subbab 4.3 data analysis data set uh, pariwisata Kabupaten Toba, tourism, hotels, restaurant, transport, and culiner. Uh, Understanding exploration analysis to understand structure, patterns, and quality of information. On the subbab 4.4, data preparation, figure selection, filtering attribute relevant for the RB system, and now check validating data integrity. And next, data cleaning, implementation, and removal of irrelevant character to ensure high quality input. Next.
The next about knowledge-based construction, 4.5 construction strategy. The Rautoba dataset is segmented based on functional characteristics. The first is FAK compilation for CAG module. We extracting static high frequency data into question answer pairs. And then for the RAG module, we have compiling narrative data into PDFs and splitting them into readable chunks. Next about 4.6 pre-processing. Okay, there are many steps that researchers have to do. The first about KV mapping. We are storing FAQs in memory for instant retrieval, and the vector embedding, we have to completion the vector embedding for the converting chunks to numerical vectors for semantic search. Developing the decision-making agent. The design about agent architecture, the agent acts as the central router, determining the most efficient path for the data retrieval. The first, we have to do training data. The logic design based on the query types, they are factual versus explorative. The second, routing rules. We have to second scenario. The first is catch hit scenario. The query matches with the FAQ that we are compiler, and then retrieve from Cafe Cache. And the second scenario, catch me scenario, query is unique. They are making the trigger RAG vector search. Validation, stress testing the routing logic to ensure minimal latency addition. This is about developing the decision-making agent for the 4.8 selection. We utilize Gemini 1.5 flights for its balance of high speed or low latency and reasoning capabilities essential for real-time recommendations.
So, for the uh, 4.6 system implementation, this is LLM selection of configuration in our research. Start from the environment setup at the and then to basic knowledge base implementation, and then the agent logic coding, and then the front end development. The last one is whole system integration. Next. Next one is the experiment and evaluation. There are two here. Point 4.10 metric evaluation, defining success parameters. There are two for latency, measuring retrieval speed, case versus DB, and accuracy, fact checking against ground truth. This is the figure of metric evaluation in our research, and then the for 4.11 experiment provided recommendation for the experiment design to compare conventional RAG and hybrid CAG and RAG. The scenario repeated queries and then new unseen queries. This is the experiment provides recommendation for our research. Last one. For the experiment evaluation, the design evaluate recommendations result. For the evaluation approach, there are two approach. First one, quantitative evaluation or metrics, and qualitative evaluation, which is user judgment. To expected outcomes, there are two: reduce retrieval latency and improve retrieval relevancies. This is the figure. So that is all for our presentation. Thank you very much for the attention.